This is the plant cell. Cells. They are the building blocks of everything living. There are many types of cells, but today we are going to talk about one type of cell, and that is the plant cell. First of all, we are going to review the cell wall. The cell wall is the rigidmost layer of the cell. It protects everything inside of the cell, the important parts. Next is the cell membrane. The cell membrane is a semi-permeable membrane that is present within the cell wall. Its purpose is regulating the entry and exit of specific substances within the cell. So, it's the checkpoint that nutrients have to go through before going in the cell. These three are the chloroplast. It is an elongated organelle enclosed by a phospholipid membrane. Each chloroplast contains a green-colored pigment called chlorophyll, required for the process of photosynthesis. The chlorophyll absorbs light energy from the sun and uses it to transform carbon dioxide and water into glucose. This big blue thing we have right here, this one guy, is called the vacuole. Central vacuole. The central vacuole occupies around 30% of the cell's volume in a mature plant cell. The vital purpose of it, apart from storage, is to sustain turgid pressure against the cell wall. The central vacuole contains of cell sap. It is a mixture of salts, enzymes, and other substances. This stringy thing right here is called the Golgi Complex, or the Golgi apparatus, as you know it. The Golgi complex are found in all eukaryotic cells, which are involved in distributing synthesized macromolecules to various parts of the cell. So they are the post office of the cell. These little guys right here, these little black dots, are called the ribosomes. The ribosomes are the smallest membrane-bound organelles which comprise of RNA and protein. They are the sites for protein synthesis, hence also referred to as the protein factories of the cell. These things right here are called the mitochondria. The mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. This little red thing here is called the nucleus. The nucleus is a membrane-bound structure that is present only in eukaryotic cells. The vital function of a nucleus is to store DNA, or hereditary information required for cell division, metabolism, and growth. This little guy right here is called the Nucleolus. The Nucleolus manufactures cells' protein-producing structures and ribosomes. So this little guy right here makes these things. This is the Endoplasmic Reticulum, or ER for short. This one is called the smooth ER, or the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and this is the rough ER, the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulums are a large dynamic structure that serves many roles in the cell, including calcium storage, protein synthesis, and lipid metabolism. And that's pretty much about it, guys. This is me again, Stian Lu Bustamante of Grade 8 STM and L, and this is the plant cell. Goodbye.